student population. Number two is academic integration.
We, in our institutes, we are already in the process of
Now, like how you were saying, only they have a dedicated
and within the same paper we have different points. मैं आपका मैडम का नाम
Session. I want each one of you to come up and give us the feedback for the lectures that we have conducted for you. Whatever you felt was good or bad, please share with us. And you want to raise your hands? Absolutely okay. You can raise your hands and I can take out your names, call out your names, and then you can speak. So we already have one raised hand, which is Namita ma'am. Namita ma'am, please go ahead. We'll be waiting for all the participants to speak few words for the program that we conducted. This is actually the 35th NEP program, but we have conducted by far 50 programs, and this is I think 52nd or a 53rd program that we are conducting in overall as a part of MMTTC SRCC. So we have a lot of hands raising up. I will not take much of your time. Namita ma'am, over to you.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for this session.
Can you just open your video because we'll take a
Sorry,
screenshot.
I'm in a bad connection. Otherwise, I'll not be able to hear.
Okay, great.
So that is a tough choice that I made. But I would like to thank you a lot. And I was told by a lot of people that these sessions are really good and these training sessions really help. एंड अभी सर ने जैसे कुछ कुछ बातें बताई, समटाइम्स आई फील दैट आई लूज ट्रैक जब मैं अपने स्टूडेंट पढ़ा रही होती हूँ, पर सर की बातें सुन के मुझे लगा कि नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं मैं ठीक ट्रैक पर हूँ कि मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी ज़रूरी है। और उसके अलावा जितने भी हमने सेशंस अटेंड किए, देयर वर सो मेनी पॉइंट्स and so many areas that need to be discussed with us, and the sessions were really insightful. Again, I'm very thankful and for such a great opportunity. Thank you so much.
Sandeep sir.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, sir. Your
Am I
voice is
audible?
audible to us. Yes.
Yeah. So, I want to thank Sriram College of Commerce for organizing such a wonderful program. And all of the sessions were highly useful for us. And being a pharmacy background person, I have learned much new topics by listening to these FTPs. And of course, I couldn't participate in a much interactive way in all the sessions. But most of the sessions were highly useful to us because currently we are in the autonomous section, and we are as a pharmacy council is proposing a new syllabus based upon the NEP. So it is highly useful. This session is highly useful for us in understanding why NEP has been introduced now, and what is its importance, how we can mold the students, what the staff should do, or how staff should change or mold themselves based upon this NEP. So once again, I want to thank all of the team for wonderfully organizing this 8-day session. Thank you so much.
So we are very thankful. I think it's just because of our director that we have taken care of people from all the diversified fields. So initially it were only the commerce and management, but we are so surprised that the word of mouth has gone so far that SRCC has taken or made such a program regarding MMTTC that people from diversified fields, not commerce and management, but people mostly from medical fields. It is very surprising, and it is a very overwhelming situation when it comes from people like you who are not a part of commerce and management but different fields. Thank you so much, Sandeep sir. Yes, Neera ma'am. Neera ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
First of all, I am said that thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us great opportunity और मैम all sessions are very good for us and knowledgeable.
अब हमारे डायरेक्टर सर एक बात कहते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि 8 दिन में अगर आप 5 मिनट का भी कुछ लर्निंग लेकर जा रही हो इन 8 दिनों में भी, तो हमारे लिए वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होती है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैम, ये बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा नॉलेजेबल सेशन हुआ है सारा, जो हम लोग को बहुत कुछ सिखाया है।
ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। आभा मैम, ओवर टू यू।
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Yes, I can only say it was very insightful, learning and informative session. The resource persons were too good, and I would request SRCC and MMTC team to to organize such more sessions with more resource persons. Ma'am, it was really, really a great learning. Thank you
Great,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
Abha
you so
ma'am.
much.
Shatabdi ma'am, over to you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to say all the resource persons conducted the session with great energy and clarity. The presentations were well organized, interactive, and engaging. And the resource persons managed the time also very effectively, maintained smooth flow, and kept the audience involved throughout the sessions. The teamwork and the coordination from you all, both everyone here maintained excellent, making the session both informative and enjoyable. I learned a lot of things. Thank you so much for this wonderful session. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ranjita ma'am, over to you.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank everyone in this grade because I got many friends from different parts of our country. So I am very thankful for meeting everyone through this platform and MMTTC SRCC family in NEP training program conduction. So I learned most things, words, new words, new applications, new platforms, and then Alok sir, from Alok sir, I learned कुछ Hindi, मैं पढ़ती हूँ. So then most of the sessions are more valuable. I very impressive, and I very much happy about this program. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, especially Nisha ma'am, Alok sir, Ladika ma'am, Vaishali ma'am, etc. All of you.
Nisha ma'am has been working very hard for you, and she was the one who said that I want my participants to take an extra step ahead and do the moderation. So she has been the backbone behind the session. I only come in front of you, just babble a little bit, do a laugh, but then it is her and Alok sir. It is always the coordinator and director. Yes, the team works a lot, but the face value, if I talk about, then who is the person who's readily working behind it? It's the director and the coordinator who have given their everything to this program. So I think a well round of applause who deserves for this program is our coordinator Nisha ma'am and our director Alok sir. I'm sure everybody would agree to this.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Mala ma'am, over to you.
मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस. एक्चुअली एक तो पीआर बढ़ा और साथ में एनईपी के बारे में बहुत कुछ जाना. उसके अलावा मैंने ये सीखा कि ऑनलाइन सेशंस में कैसे अट्रैक्ट करके या बांध करके रखना है. इट इज़ वेरी टफ. क्लास में जब आप 1-to-1 फेस टू फेस पढ़ाते हैं तब तो एक मतलब समझ में आता है कैसे इंटरैक्ट करना है या कैसे एंगेज रखना है, बट ऑनलाइन लोगों को एंगेज रखना इट्स वेरी टफ. और इतना लास्ट तक हम लोग सब एक साथ हैं, ये बहुत बड़ा हमको लगता है अचीवमेंट है आपके लिए. तो बहुत कुछ सीखा सर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज ये भी सीखा है कि कैसे ऑनलाइन सेशंस लेने चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर दिस.
लोग सर, इसका क्रेडिट आप ले सकते हो. ऑनलाइन सेशंस कैसे होने चाहिए और लेने चाहिए, उसका क्रेडिट हम आलोक सर को दे सकते हैं, डेफिनेटली. आई थिंक जैसे हम ये एक MMTTC SRCC का है, हम सब लोगों का है, वो बोलते हैं कि वीडियो ऑफ लर्निंग ऑफ वीडियो ऑन लर्निंग ऑन। आई थिंक यू ऑल विल अग्री टू इट। जब तक हमें लगता है ना कि हमें कोई देख रहा है तब तक हम पढ़ते हैं, और जैसे हमें पता चलता है हमें कोई नहीं देख रहा है तो हम सोचते हैं क्या पढ़े। तो ये वही वाली चीज है।
यस मैम। एंड आलोक सर का एक चीज है ना, नाम ले लेके बीच में बुलाते रहते हैं, तो
मैम,
अगर आप नहीं भी सुन रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू, मतलब ये चीज सीखी है मैंने कि हाँ, दिस
such a
इज वन
good
ऑफ द
thing
वे।
to learn, मैम,
हाँ,
कि अगर बच्चे को पता चले कि मेरी फैकल्टी मेरा नाम ले रही है
नाम
and she
लेके
knows my name,
yes,
the student actually feels that
हाँ,
that she's taking all her
हाँ,
efforts to teach me if she knows my name,
yes,
because in
हाँ,
a class of 60 students it is very difficult, but if you take it and the student knows it, I think
हाँ,
the level of efforts coming from their end is
yes.
also great in the
एंड
end.
वन थिंग मोर मैम, कि जो मॉडरेशन के लिए आप इन्वॉल्व करते हैं तो उसमें लगता है कि वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ द टीम, हम सीखने
Absolutely,
नहीं आए हैं।
absolutely.
सो प्लीज।
Ashok sir, over to you.
Good evening, everyone. So actually, I'm from Tamil Nadu, the southmost part, where Sir attended the program just few days before. Just I was 10 kilometers away. I was not aware of it. Otherwise, I would have met him. Alok sir. The thing is that when I just started off going for a program to attend a program on NAP, I was just searching for some pamphlets and other things. I just came to know that SRCC is conducted. Then I just Googled how is the college and other things. Then I came to know that it is the #1 college in India, and almost Google showed it is the #1 or best college one in the Asia. So I thought I should definitely register and get use all the facilities and other resource persons things and other things like that. So all these 8 sessions were really 8 days were really good, and we learned a lot. Especially the speakers were really good, and they gave a lot of information to us. And the program was really coordinated. The time management was very good, and especially I thank all the team, especially Nisha ma'am, Vaishali ma'am, Alok sir, and all those other who are involved in this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Krishnakant sir, over to you. सर आप म्यूट पे हैं, आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा। यस सर।
Yeah, ma'am, I think I was the only one from North Rajasthan, so I thought I may not be getting a chance to speak up, but still, thank you so much. And I learned a lot because the North and South Indian people are more, into education, and North we are still learning and doing. So it was a very learning session, and to be very honest, this is third time I am attending this program. Twice I have already attended, but I got a
Sir का network I think has an issue. Are other participants able to hear him?
No, ma'am, he's not
No,
audible.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. तो आई थिंक कृष्णकांत सर को एक मैसेज डाल देते, तब तक हम शशिधर सर है। शशिधर सर, वुड यू लाइक टू टेक ओवर?
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. So, good evening, Alok sir. So, I'm very much grateful to be a part of this FDP, sir. So, the starting session by the Alok sir, that is a pre-sensitization program, was so sir has given certain guidelines how to attend it, how to acquire the knowledge from the session, how to be active. And the ending session today, Alok sir, is also very inspirative session, sir. So, we are very much grateful to be part of this FDP. Since I'm from pharmacy background, sir, I'm also from Andhra Pradesh. So this is the first kind of FDP which I am attending, sir. Regarding the NEP, the concept of NEP, actually it's purely new for me, the national education policy aspects and everything. But the sessions you have given and the selection of speakers, they are very good, sir, and very informative to us. I think still I have to learn much more about these concepts of NEP. In future also, sir, definitely I will be the part of this your sessions, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us a wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, sir. And it's good and great to hear from that. Even after doing one program, you still feel that coming back to MMTTC, SRCC would be great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Karandi sir, over to you.
I would like to have this time to
pay my gratitude towards all the speakers that came, especially Alok sir. His words are like the elder in the house, like very enlightening and always inspiring. I want to congratulate to the organizers for having this, letting participants moderate as well. That really helped us to be a part of the whole exercise, and that also improved our responsibility to attend it properly. So yes, all these small things added to the effectiveness of the program, and all the speakers they came up with different aspects of NEP, and that has really enhanced our understanding. I cannot say that we have understood NEP completely. It's just a beginning for the person who is starting. It's a good beginning. And from this onwards, we can delve upon and we can help our institutes to be in line with NEP as much as possible. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Anupam ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank you all the organizing who did the great job. And secondly, ma'am, जैसे आप 8 दिन के FDP में अगर हमने 5 मिनट भी कुछ सीख लिया, so thank you to Alok sir कि उन्होंने हर concept को they will be connected with the real life example. हम जाते हैं, we'll prepare our PPT, we'll prepare our notes, but we are like not getting too much into the real life scenario. So we'll go through with that. So we are very thankful to all the team who did the great job. And this is my second NEP which I have attended under the MMTRC. First one is also, ma'am, very good, and that one is also even sometimes they would be skipping some information, but jitne sessions mein jitna sun paye, that is valuable for us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ghanshyam sir, over to you.
थैंक यू मैम। मैं झारखंड हजारीबाग से पूरे जो सेशन रहा, सबसे पहले मैं श्री राम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने सारा प्रोग्राम बहुत ही अच्छे रिसोर्स पर्सन को बुलाए और हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी चीज से सीखा। और सबसे पहले मैंने ये सीखा कि ऑनलाइन में जो एक दूसरे को कैसे क्लास लिया जा सकता है और क्या क्या बच्चों को सिखाया जा सकता है, मैंने उसको बहुत अच्छा से सीखा और फॉलो भी मैं करूंगा। मैं धर्मबंधु बीएड कॉलेज ऑफ में टीचर हूँ इकोनॉमिक्स का, तो मैं फॉलो करता हूँ कि बच्चों को कैसे अट्रैक्ट करना चाहिए, और ऑनलाइन के लिए मैं इसमें सीखा हूँ और बहुत अच्छा मुझे लगा। ऑल ओवर जितने हमारे रिसोर्स पर्सन थे, ये प्रैक्टिकली जो इजी लाइफ में हम लोग का व्यवहार करना चाहिए बच्चों के साथ में, मैंने ये भी सीखा। और अभी जो आलोक सर बताए वो रियल लाइफ में किस तरह से किसको अट्रैक्ट करनी चाहिए, वो जैसे महाभारत के बात बताए, रामायण के बात बताए, रावण के बात बताए, उन्होंने कृष्णा का नाम बताए, उन्हें बहुत तरह से रियल लाइफ में जो टीचिंग का होना चाहिए उस तरह से मैंने बहुत अच्छा से सीखा। और इसलिए मैं आप सभी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि अच्छे अच्छे रिसोर्स पर्सन से लाकर हम लोगों को लाभ दिया। धन्यवाद मैम।
सर, थैंक यू सो मच। Yamuna ma'am, over to you.
Thank you for the opportunity, ma'am. And I'm from PSG College of Arts and Science, Tamil Nadu. Usually, being in Commerce Department, I wonder how Sriram College of Commerce is in the website in #1 position. As we are in ranking, I see the movements of always, I tell the students, aim higher. When not Tamil Nadu, when you're going for Delhi, for Sriram. So they say you canvas for Sriram College, but because I've heard from my senior faculties about your functioning, because they have come to your campus and visited all the controllers, like everything, and they've just told me in one session. I'm totally impressed, and I want, this is the first session of mine in Sriram College with TTC, and excellent session, Alok sir, Dr. Alok sir. I'm grateful to you. In this age, you have so much energy. As a match starts beginning, there would be 6 and ends with the final match. Final innings is also handled by Anup sir with 6 again. So we enjoyed the match as a way he style real-time examples, ma'am. This is what expected from a teacher. Sir, you are my guru. So sincerely, my sincere thanks. We are awaiting for the further sessions also. So, and the team was organized very well, ma'am, because it is an offline. We are so much stressed with the work also. After 4 o'clock, we will, as a teaching faculty, we are all tired and but we sit for 2 to 3 because every resource person is giving new informations. So we are learning a lot. I have learned a lot. I've took many notes, which just I'm going to replicate in my classrooms also. Thank you for the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. And I think now I should shift the focus towards the director and the coordinator.
एक बार लतिका मैम, एक बार कृष्णकांत सर को फिर से बुला लीजिए।
So, कृष्णकांत सर आप हैं? कृष्णकांत सर, मुझे लगता है सर उनका कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया है. आई कांट सी हिम. लेट मी जस्ट चेक. सर मुझे लगता है ना उनका उनका नेटवर्क में कुछ प्रॉब्लम था. आई कांट फाइंड हिम इन द पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट.
ठीक है जी.
So over to the director and the coordinator, Director Alok Kumar and our coordinator Nisha ma'am.
निशा मैम फर्स्ट.
Thank you so much, sir. So, thank you, everybody. Thanks for your kind words. We are very grateful that you appreciate our program. We designed this program for you people only, and it is our success if you like the program this much. So, we are really very thankful to you, and it fills my heart with joy to see that 35th NEP program come to successful close. These past days have been a journey of learning, reflection, and togetherness. Each one of you brought your energy, curiosity, and openness, which made this program truly meaningful. I sincerely thank all the participants for your active involvement and the warmth you brought into every session. The insights shared by our resource person and the discussion we had, I hope stay with you and guide you ahead. I just want to take few names. I know I'm a little bit partial, but yes, I have to take these names. Dr. Karandeep sir, Shatabdi ma'am, Ranjita ma'am, Mala ma'am, Abha ma'am, Uttam sir. So thank you so much, sir. Because these people gracefully accepted whenever I asked them to moderate the session. So thank you so much, all the moderators of the sessions.
Thank you so much.
I special thanks to our director
Thank
MMTTC
you, ma'am.
SRCC for giving us the energy that we conducted such successful programs till now, and also my thanks to my person who is always there with me, Latika ma'am, for her constant support and guidance in ensuring its successful completion. Participant, I want to share with you one insight that the resource person, many of them suggested by the Latika ma'am for you people. Then this program was designed for you definitely, but it's your spirit and participation that give it a life. As we part ways, I wish you success, happiness, and the confidence to carry forward these learnings into your daily work and growth. So that's all from my side. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
देखिए, education is a very wonderful job, and this is not at all a job, it is life. So please remain honest with your profession. We can change a lot. We can change the society. And in these 30 years or 25 years of life, if you can touch one life per year, I am telling you, you deserve a Nobel. Okay. So we are not at all in this noble profession. We are competent enough to give one Nobel Prize to each other. So please keep contributing. सेशन के अंत में बाकी जो चीजें होंगी पोस्ट टेस्ट एंड ऑल लतिका मैडम बताएंगी. सो आप सबसे अनुरोध है, प्लीज स्टे पॉजिटिव. चैलेंजिंग टाइम आने वाला है बिकॉज ऑफ चेंज इन द टेम्परामेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. प्लीज कीप लर्निंग. हमारे सेंटर में अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज टेल अबाउट दिस टू अदर्स ऑल्सो. हम भी चाहते हैं कि हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट करने का मौका मिले फॉर दिस सोसाइटी, definitely through the encouragement of the government, because this is a government sponsored program. That's why we must not consider that this program is free. Definitely huge amount is involved in each and every program. This is taxpayers money, so we need to learn and we need to replicate this learning in our classroom. Thank you very much to all the participants, and we will keep on doing well. And आपके भी प्रोग्राम का एक वीडियो will be there on the YouTube channel, and we will be sharing the link as well. So you may create some memories. You may find yourself in those videos. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And
Thank you,
like
sir.
sir said, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm sure you'll be able to spot in yourself in the
Yes, yes,
program.
please. Yes. So now we are winding up. Namita madam, Nisha madam, Abha madam, and all other participants. So thank you very much. अच्छा लगा, हमारी परिवार का और विस्तार हुआ आज घनश्याम सर. So all of you are now part of SRCC family. Please stay connected. Please remain positive. Please keep contributing wherever you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so
Thanks
much.
a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you a
Thank
lot.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Alok. Thank you, Ratika ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Nisha madam.